Yes, you have your koala bay everywhere.
But if it rains, we run in there, huh?
Not Troya though.
Or front, not been there in the front group.
Yeah. So,
Hold on, what's going on?
nothing. No drama yet. Go this way.
But then you're gonna hit me. The train is coming, buddy.
It's not yet coming. It's not coming yet. Change my. What's going on with this?
The train is getting impatient. The girl wants to become a baseball player.
See your flags and stuff. It's a nice view for you.
Train is not coming yet.
Yeah, not yet. Watch out.
The sun is red.
Avenida Rafael Puig. This is our street actually. Keep going.
Are we going into our terrace here?
Oh yeah. 100%. It's
Nobody's sitting on it.
well, it tells you that it must.
Because it's flooded. I'll take a picture of it. I cannot sit still. That's why nobody's sitting on it.
Yeah. It's better. Have to survive with the, how do you say it, the weather.
Yeah, hopefully no disaster.
What?
Hopefully no disaster.
Yeah.
I'm rather not flying out today.
Even flying out is awful, if not dangerous.
Yeah, exactly. If the plane gets hit by a side, oh look at the seagull, by side winds.
Yeah.
The plane gets hit by a side wind.
Yeah.
My hair is back in my face. Maybe I need to buy a hairband.
Hairbands?
Yeah.
Do you want hairbands? I don't need a hairband. Full cafe, hello. weekends, so it's more traffic heavy than yeah, probably today is Friday or Saturday. My watch should be able to tell me.
Friday.
Yeah. It's kind of northwest. It tells me northwest. Watch out, there's a standing in the middle. We can either stick to the left or to the right. At least it's
Stick to the right, I think.
to provide some clarity of sorts.
We're not crashing, but get my life. Because I'm
It's easier than usual, actually.
It's also because nobody's sitting in the beach or
Ah, yeah,
by the
true.
pool. So people are walking with sweaters on. They all bought sweaters. They're still wearing shorts.
right.
Right, left.
Would you ever like to wear shorts?
No, I'm okay with my medium.
Medium size.
It's not short, it's not long.
I think it's
How about you? Do you regret that you're wearing trousers?
no, I'm not sweating in them yet. It's windy enough. It might be a problem if it gets maybe warmer, but there's also the fact that many people didn't bring their trousers, but we did. So as I tell you, some come in with Ryanair, with the carry-on, and suddenly
Are they allowed to bring toiletry stuff then? Because how do they bring...
most people, most girls go out with their handbag full of stuff. That doesn't change on holiday.
But you're not allowed on the
But we are-
plane to have any liquids.
Lipstick.
Liquids.
Well, I'm sure that they have a way of doing it that is
Do it. My soul.
Thank you.
too
That's nice.
thank you. It's kind of too early for.
Those are friends in the wind.
We can check him out. Come. He's maybe sitting there somewhere. Ah, it's not. Not here. Even his bed is gone. It's not there.
His bed blow away.
This is unbelievable.
To be honest, that beach club that you are so keen on, La Rojas, we've seen it when it was not being renovated.
What do you
And
say?
it
I'm so
didn't-
keen on.
Well, the one that you always check out.
I check out
It
because
doesn't look very safe. We've seen it
I know
on these rocks and
you can die on it. You can die on it. It's
we
not
can buy everywhere, of course. You and I are more likely to die of fatness than anything else. Alright.
Let's
You must have walked 1K because I'm getting a chichen.
yeah, I think we walked enough. We usually stop somewhere, considering that when you consider the time we've gone back to the room and come out again.
I'm still wearing my sunglasses. Maybe it's ridiculous.
Doesn't bother anyone. When you say it's ridiculous, you are based it in the view of somebody else. You do what you like. If it's see, that's gorgeous. That's a place I might want to try. Well, yeah. Because it's let's go left. It's a muddy Playa el Bobo.